Welcome, today we're going to show you how to reset your laptop like brand new on Windows laptop or PC. So first, you need to click on the start menu and see from here and search for settings. Click on the settings menu. After that, from here you need to click on the search bar and search for reset. You will find reset this PC option. Click on it. And now from here you can actually reset this PC from this option. So click on reset PC. And now you will have two options. The first one will keep all your files and the second will remove everything. So if you want you can choose either of these options. After that, from here you will choose if the Windows will download from cloud or if you have a copy of Windows to install it locally. So you can either choose one of these options. If you have a fast internet and don't have any copy of Windows, you can click on download. After you do that, you will have an option to change the settings from here if you want to change anything. Also, you can hit on next if you are done to reset this PC. So after that, you can just hit on next and that will fully reset your Windows. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.